Ready to boost your Etsy shop sales? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional and eye-catching Etsy shop banner with AI in just seconds. With Black Friday around the corner, we'll take this top-ranked Etsy shop as an example and design its Black Friday banner. Let's get started. First, head to the Etsy cover photo templates in Fotor or visit link in description. Create a blank design. Next, click on the blank Etsy banner canvas. Then select Generate Image to access the AI image generator and start creating your design. Enter your prompt to generate the Black Friday banner. Here's my prompt you can use as a reference. Then select the aspect ratio, click the Generate button with photography for style. You'll get a result here. I think that my second one is better, so I choose that one. As you can see, the image size doesn't quite fit the canvas and some information got cropped. But no worries, you can easily fix this by clicking the Edit Photo button right here. Then click the AI Expand to extend the image background. Here, you'll need to adjust the canvas to make it perfect for an Etsy shop banner. Let's make it quick and easy. Then hit the Generate button to do AI Expand. Click the Apply button, you will get it. Now, your image is perfect for this Etsy banner canvas without any information cropped. You can clearly see the brand logo and the sales information. If you feel the image resolution looks a bit low after cropping it to fit the Etsy banner canvas, no worries. You can go back to Photo Edit and use the AI Upscaler to enhance the image resolution in seconds. Look, doesn't it look much clearer now than before? Now you just need to click on the image, adjust the crop position, and your Etsy shop banner is ready. Last, click here to download your banner. And that's how you can easily create an Etsy shop banner with AI using Fotor. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.